On today's video, we're making smoked fried chicken mac and cheese on a Traeger. Alright, so this recipe was sent in to us, kind of. It was, but then it kind of got, I kind of did my thing to it. We got a lot going on here. We got fried chicken, old fried chicken. It's not leftovers. There's no leftover fried chicken at my house. So we just had to go get it at the store. They had some old fried chicken. So that's what we got. And everything to make a roux, a cheese sauce, the smoker, and build this whole thing in my polished cast iron pan. A lot of people ask about this. This is polished. I polished this, no, I didn't polish this myself. I bought it that way. So without further ado, let's get to cooking. All right, so this is some chicken tenders we got at the store. Because honestly, if I had chicken tenders at my house, I'd eat every single one of them. That's just the way I am. And most actual grocery stores have this. I know Crest does around us. I know Publix does. And who doesn't love Publix? Put that in a bowl. Keep chopping. There's only two kinds of chicken, fried chicken. Cold and hot. Both of them are good. Isn't that right, Wes?
Absolutely.
All right, so we're gonna mix in a little buffalo hot wing sauce. And some Killer Bee Chipotle. Just enough to give it that sweet heat. And then toss. All right, once you got this mixed up, just set it to the side. Now, let's get these noodles going. All right, so, I forgot what these are called. It's like a mac and cheese noodle, but twice as long. We already got a pot of boiling water. Make sure you salt it. We're gonna dump these in and let them go for 7 minutes. You don't wanna cook them all the way done because we are gonna pan it up and put it in the smoker. Just give it a nice little stir and let it run for 7 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 7 minutes.
7 minutes, counting down.
Next thing is, we're gonna get started on our roux. Now, I ain't gonna lie, this is my first time making a roux, but it can't be that freaking hard.
Hey, try not to ruin it.
See what you did. So we got 2 tablespoons of butter, otherwise known as booter. Get that melted. Then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of chopped up garlic. But we'll add the garlic first. Matt, we'll just add it now. Don't forget about your noodles. Give them a nice little stir. So we got a little toast on here. So now we're gonna add the flour and just slowly stir it in. Probably brown it for about 30, 45 seconds. Heavy cream, cheese, make a roux. Here we go. Add some cheese. You gotta slowly add cheese from what I hear. So we'll just add a little bit of this. Some mozzarella. Gotta keep stirring. This is the boring part. There's 7 minutes. Check the pasta. Oh, starting to get cheesy. we're gonna grab some of the pasta water just to hold on to it. About a cup and a half. Might add a little to here. And don't worry about the exact recipe details. We'll have them down in the description. We'll have a link to where you can just go print it off, make it at home. Woo. Now we need to season it, right? We got that cheese looking fantastic. I'm gonna season it with some SPG. Not too much. It's already got a lot of garlic in there. Just a little bit. Oh, dude, this smells freaking delicious. I'm gonna grab some more pasta water. I use a little bit of the pasta water and cheese. Just about maybe a third of a cup. All right, let's get this pasta drained. So we got our pasta drained, and we're gonna use half of the cheese sauce in here. We're gonna save the other half. As we build this, we'll be drizzling some over. Ooh. So we're gonna put a layer down, about half of the pasta. Spread it out. We are gonna add some more shredded cheddar. Some more shredded mozzarella. And then fried chicken. Just drizzle that on there. Smash it down if you need to. We're putting it all in. I don't care what anybody says. All right. So at this point, I'm gonna season it just a little bit. I'm using some buffalo wing dust. And you don't gotta get crazy with this because we're also gonna add some buffalo hot wing sauce. Jeez. And a little bit of wing sauce. Just drizzle it on there. If you don't have mine, use whatever you got. It all works. And now we rebuild again. More mac and cheese. Spread it out. Golly, this is gonna be good. This is a fat little dude. Now, you want to take the rest of your cheese sauce and dump it on. We ain't losing that. Cheese sauce costs about $95. No, I'm just kidding. Get it all. Come on, get it all. Shake that baby down in there. Get in there. Can you believe we made mac and cheese and we didn't even put corn in it?
We made the redneck roux.
The redneck roux. All right, finish adding that chicken. We didn't even need the pasta water, so that's good. But I did put some pasta water in the cheese sauce. So I thinned it out rather than, yeah, you get it. Now, a little bit more cheddar and some more mozzarella. Now we're gonna put this in the cooker, the Traeger, at 325 degrees for 20, 30 minutes till we get a nice little toast on there. And then right when it's about done, we're gonna add some breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, some real bacon bits, not that fake shit, and then a little bit of chives just to juice it up for the camera and the TikToks. All right, so now let's go put it on the Traeger. so this looks and smells amazing. I'm gonna church it up a little bit with some chives. It actually does look better. So now for the final taste test. Oh yeah. I guarantee it, this is the best mac and cheese I've ever made in my life. You're gonna wanna try this recipe, so go down below, click the link, go over to Kosmos Q on our recipe page, print it off, take it home, make it for yourself, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. This is a ton of food.